Sustainable Christmas tree decorations. Dried orange garland. A dried orange garland is a must-have Christmas decoration that you will be able to hang on your tree or your mantle. To create one, slice a few oranges and use a towel to squeeze out as much juice as possible. Put them in the oven for 2 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and once they are baked, leave them on a cooling rack for a few days. Use a needle and a thread to string them together or create a loop. Origami stars. This one is a cool project you can do with kids as a fun family activity. Create origami stars for your Christmas tree. To make it as sustainable as possible, use upcycled paper like scrap paper you do not need, old magazines or maps, or even paper bags. Cinnamon sticks. Tie the sticks together with a little string and create a loop with it. Cover the string with an elegant ribbon and tie it into a bow. Denim tree ornaments. If you have an old pair of worn-out jeans in your closet, do not get rid of it. Denim fabric is extremely durable and versatile, so it would be a shame not to reuse it. If you can sew, use them to create small Christmas tree ornaments. Merry Christmas!